Hello guys, it's me again, Jeffrey from Success with WP or WordPress101.com. Today we're going to be talking about how to create a sliding clickable button to reveal information on WordPress using the Divi theme. Okay, for example, it's like this. So just click this button, and then you see that it says show less. Earlier it said show more, and also the button here change to down and then up. Okay, so that's actually quite simple. I had to do this for another client, and it was actually, I don't know why it took a long time for me to find the solution for it, but I got to find it, and today I hope that I can help you with this also. So okay, here, so let's look at the visual builder part of this page here. So it's actually like this. So there's a row here, and the text, what you want to show, and then actually here you can't see it, but it's actually a code module in here, and of course I'll be giving you this code so that you can use it, and I'll also explain a bit of it so you have some sort of understanding. And then here at the bottom is the button that you can press, and yeah, so you can edit this button. It's on another row, but yeah, anyway, let's get to the tutorial part. Okay, so let's make a new one in the new page. So just a new page, and make a new page, any random, okay, clickable button page. Use the Divi builder, and then build on the front end. Alright, so while that's creating, alright, so start building. So here, so the row, make a new one. Maybe let's make a text like the one I had earlier. So text, and here I have the lorem ipsum here, and yep, and then change that and copy and paste, and then you can edit that of course to your liking. So black, bold, and yeah, and then after that, in the same row, make sure to add the code in the same row. So add new module, code, and then here, and then so let me just copy and paste that first. Again, I'll be giving you this code later, so just copy and paste that into here. All right, so let's do the basic stuff first. So the text here, and then you add another row for the button. So button, all right, so let's say again show more. Here you can edit that to your liking. You can, any side is fine. So let's do the same as the sample. So to the right, and then the button here, yes, custom styles for button, and then button text size, I want to keep it small. Button text color is okay, let's just do white, and then button border color, background color, black. All right, simple, any way you prefer. Show button icon, yes, but then for me, I want to keep the button icon like showing. I don't want it to be like showing later. So here only show icon and hover. So I'll keep no, so you can always see that. But then for us to do the button up and down, so let's put that here. All right, and then okay. So now, since we've got the basics done, let's go for the code. Here, you can't see it, but you can show it here. All right, so WP underscore button one is actually a class. I mean, it's fine if you have no that much experience on classes or ID. That's fine, because yeah, I'm going to explain a bit more about this. So WP underscore button one, I put the button here, so at least you can tell which one this is. So for this one, you have to put this to add the dot on the button. You can of course change this to your liking, but here, button settings advanced, CSS class WP underscore button one, but we have to put closed here. Here, like this one, so closed. And then another one here is a WP text. So this is just my own way of writing it, but actually if you see the hashtag here, or the number sign, is actually the ID, and this one you have to put this in the row where you want the information that you want to reveal. So here, there's the row, advanced ID, and then WP text 1. And then here, actually, if you don't want to really completely want to spend so much time on understanding this, but actually what you just have to do is of course make sure that the button goes correspondingly or accordingly to the current setup of the code. So WP button 1 here, and just make sure that if you are changing the names here, make sure that they are going along with the others also. So if you change this, for example, to button 2, then of course you must change all the others to 2. WP underscore button 2, and then 2, and then 2. Alright, but we're not doing that, so let's just cross that. And again, let's open the code. Okay, and then here, this one is actually this part right here. Just a bit of information about it. This one just says to hide that the information first, the text, the lorem ipsum part. And then here, so if you want to change like the information, if you want to change like the text in here, the show more, again, you can do that in the code. But actually, before I show you that, let me show you the final part of this first. So we publish that. Okay, and then we exit Visual Builder. Let's see how that works. Right here, see that? And now it's working. Here, show more, show less. All right, and then if you go back to the Visual Builder part, here. So for example, you want to change the show more or show less. For example, maybe you want to just have show a lot more or show a lot less. And here, you can just do that. You can do that in the code here. So instead of having show less, maybe a lot, or maybe let's just change the whole thing. So see less, and then here see more, or see less, because of course the very first text that you have in here is actually show more, so you could just change that to see more. Then we save that, and then we go back to our other page, and then just refresh that. You see here the see more, and then here now it's see less. But to fully customize the button here, you can see there's actually an icon here, right? The one that's pointing down. So for that, you can change that here. So for example, it's closed here, so the button down, you could change that by looking at the Elegant Themes, all their icons in here. So this is free, so you can just choose here. If you can see here, the one we're using is this one, the one pointing down. Ignore this part. You can actually just add the backslash in here, so 33. And if you want, for example, you want to change it to maybe this one here, so 47, right? Go back to the code, you can just change that to 47. You can see here it changed already. So of course you would also want to change the button when you reveal the information, right? So here you want to point up again, so 46, change it here, 46 here. Okay, right, and then save. Then we go back to our the other page, and here you can see here see more, and then see less. So now you're able to completely customize the button and then the text here, and that's it. So I hope that is helpful. I'm not sure if it's this tutorial is a bit too long, but if you have any questions about it, please leave a comment. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and help me to like, comment, or subscribe, and that would be very helpful. So thanks.